Hey YouTube, how's it going? You know what's really a whole lot of fun is having a bad cough. And what's even more fun than that is having a bad cough in summer weather, because it just somehow manages to make it so much more fun. Yeah, and that's basically what I've been dealing with for the last several days. It's been so much fun. I just can't wait to do this again next sometime in the winter. Yeah. Anyway, no, it's just been one mad coughing fit after another. I have taken steps to deal with the cough, of course. It's just going to be a matter of time. How much time is anybody's guess, but you know how that goes. Especially with a summertime cough, it can actually be worse than the ones in the winter. I'm not sure why, but yeah. One of the fun side effects of that is a really fun, extra special scratchy throat. You know, it feels like somebody's been driving a road crater up and down my throat. That's extra special, and it makes talking a whole lot of fun. You know, I'm okay for this little bit of a vlog, but I'm going to feel it for a few hours afterwards. Yeah. Anyway, I haven't gotten anywhere in getting a Hermitcraft episode out. I wanted to have it out yesterday. I didn't manage it, of course. And I was on there for several hours today and got absolutely zilch done. So, I'm going to see what I can do in the morning. And that's the best I can say for right now. Right now, actually, my current favorite pastime for the moment is sleeping. Because when you're asleep, you don't have to deal with coughing and sore, painful, scratchy throats and aching chest muscles because you've been coughing so much and all kinds of things like that. Yeah. So, how was your day today? Thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'm out of here.
Here's the TinFoilChef.